Hello friends, this is Rajkumar. Welcome to our channel Wealth Upon You. In this video, let us brainstorm. Is it possible to convert 1 lakh initial investment into 1 crore over a period of time? This video is mainly intended for the new investors or people who have lost money in intraday trading or in FNO. Okay, the first question is it possible to identify a stock which could potentially give 100% return in a year or at least 50% return in a year? Second question is, are you ready to invest your time and energy to identify such stocks? If your answer is yes to the above questions, it is possible to convert the 1 lakh initial investment into 1 crore over a period of time. Let us see how. I would like to show you a spreadsheet to explain this. If we can double our investment every year, that means if we can identify a stock every year which can give 100% return, then in 7 years we can earn 1 crore from 1 lakh. Here is the principal investment 1 lakh, return per year is 100%. Then every year if we can able to double our investment, then we can earn 1 crore in 7th year, and in 10th year it would be around 10 crore. Okay, let us see. If we consider 50% return every year, this is the principal amount 1 lakh, return per year is 50%. Then in 12th year we can earn 1.2 crore. Okay, it looks easy in the spreadsheet. However, if you feel 100% or 50% return is not possible every year, let us consider 25% of return every year, and we will see how much our 1 lakh investment would have grown over the period of time. In 5th year it would be around 3 lakhs, in 10th year it would be around 9 lakhs, in 12th year it would be around 14 lakhs, in 20th year it would be around 86 lakhs. For instance, if I change the principal amount to 3 lakhs, then we will see how it would have grown over the period of time. In 10th year it would be 27 lakhs, in 15th year it would be 85 lakhs, in 17th year it would be 1.3 crore, in 20th year it would be around 2.6 crore. Let me change this principal investment amount to 5 lakhs. Then let us see. In 10th year it is around 46 lakhs. In 14th year it is around 1.1 crore. In 20th year it is 4.3 crore. Here I would like to show you some examples from Economic Times News dated Jan 9, 2020. 34,000% returns in 10 years. Themes that delivered in last decade but have not run out of steam yet. Here I would like to give you only one example from it. Avanti Feeds rallied nearly 34,200% to 569 as of December 30, 2019 from just Rs 1.66 on December 31, 2009. See how much wealth it has created for its investors over the period of time. You can go through this news in detail when you have time. There are many stocks are listed over here which has created wealth to its investors. And one more news I would like to refer is in Money Control dated Jan 29, 2020. Only 13 multi-baggers in last year. Experts feel 2020 will be more rewarding. In 2019, these are all the stocks which has doubled investors' money. For example, we will see again Avanti Feeds, it is 99.71%, and Adani Green Energy Limited, it is approximately 400% return. It has given 400% return to its investors. Okay, let us see. Some stocks has given more than 100% return in 3 months. In last 3 months, that is Adani Green Energy Limited 210%, in last 3 months. Vodafone Idea 177%, Hathway Cable 177, Tata Communication 172, TV18 Broadcast 172, Jubilant Life Science 153%, and Aurobindo Farm 126%. It is evident that immense possibilities and opportunities are available in the market every year. So there is no need of wasting our time and energy in day trading or in F1O. By simply investing in one or few stocks, we can really create wealth over the period of time. Only thing we need to do is, before we invest money, we need to invest our time and energy to identify the right stocks or business. That's all I would like to share with you in this video. Thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.